Hey, what is going on, guys? Surgeon's Tech Tips, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a file transparent. So say you have an icon and there's no transparent background. You want it to be a PNG file so it looks a lot clean on like a thumbnail, for example, and that's exactly what I'm doing for this video. So we're going to be turning this Microsoft Edge logo into a transparent picture because I could not find a transparent picture online, which is a PNG file. So first thing you want to do is you're going to go to the link in the description below, or you can go to getpaint.net. It's going to bring you to this website here. This is paint.net. This is a software. You can use it to make thumbnails if you would like. It's actually really easy to download, and it is free. Just go ahead and click here, click paint.net download. You go down here. You can download it from the Microsoft Store, but it is paid, but you also get more features and stuff with it. But you can just click download now, click that, and it'll download. Now, I already have it installed. The install process is easy. It's just like any other program. Anyway, so once you get paint.net installed, just go ahead and open it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click open, and then you're going to find that file you have. And in this case, it's on my desktop. So all I got to do is click on this. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to the magic wand, click on the white picture, and click delete. And you're done. That's it. Super simple task. All you want to do is click File, Save As. Then what you're going to do is just save it to the desktop. We're going to do PNG, or you can type in PNG, Microsoft Edge logo. That's exactly what we're going to do. Click Save. And then you can change the, like how it looks and stuff, like how the picture looks and the quality of it and stuff like that. Just go ahead and click OK. And then that's going to be on your desktop. And now you have a PNG file. Now you have a PNG file. So if you want to test if this is going to work in an editing software, for example, I'm making a thumbnail for a video. Click Computer. This is BeFunky. You can use this website to make thumbnails if you want, or I can do a separate video. Boom, we have a thumbnail. Now, if you compare it to the original, which is this one, it looks a lot cleaner, and I don't have to do any special editing in the software to do this. It just makes a lot more sense to do it this way, and it's just much easier. But yeah, guys, that is how you make a file basically just transparent. You can make a PNG file. You can actually use paint.net for other features and stuff. You can make thumbnails with it. I could do a separate video on this software if you guys would like. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Sorry for the super short video, but I just wanted to get this out there. Just more content, you know. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.